Layering rugs, whether on carpet or hardwood floors, is a smart and simple way to add texture to a room. You can add color and pattern, and it's a great way to define your space. Use neutral or natural fiber rugs for the base rug. They make a great backdrop to all types of prints and patterns, and take some of the guesswork out of the layering process too. Select colors and patterns that are complementary but different enough to pop. Brightly colored rugs can be used as artwork, and they can help determine the color scheme and style of your room. Make sure to keep high-pile rugs like shags on top. They add a wonderful sense of softness and elegance to your room, but if placed on bottom, they won't have firm support and they'll shift, buckle, and wrinkle. When layering two rugs of the same shape, make sure the bottom rug is significantly larger than the top rug, so there's a border and it creates an intentional look. I hope these guidelines will help you get started layering your rugs, but be unique and have fun.